Hey, this is Ian Franzen, the College Web Pro. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to change the name servers associated with your domain name. So normally you do that if you set up a College Web Pro account, but you already registered the domain name somewhere else. And you don't want to transfer the domain name to College Web Pro. So there's kind of three different ways of going about the domain name and the web hosting. If you register the domain name and set up the web hosting at the same time with College Web Pro, they'll both automatically be connected together and work together. If you registered the domain name somewhere else, you can also, as you're setting up your College Web Pro account, transfer that domain name to College Web Pro so that everything is in the same place. If you don't want to transfer the domain name to College Web Pro, you can also use an existing domain name, keep that domain name registered wherever it's currently registered, and make it work with College Web Pro. And you do that by changing the name servers associated with the domain name, and you do that wherever the domain name was originally registered. So GoDaddy is the most popular domain registrar, so a lot of clients want to work with College Web Pro. They want to keep their domain name with GoDaddy, but they want to use College Web Pro for email and for web hosting and for the website builder. So in this example video, I'm going to be linking a domain name that a client already registered with GoDaddy to a web hosting account that's been set up through College Web Pro. So you want to access, you want to log in to wherever that domain name was originally registered. So register.com or enum or probably GoDaddy. So you want to sign into your account. You want to access the list of domains that you registered with the domain registrar. So it'll vary a little bit, the instructions here, depending on your domain registrar. But the principles are the same. You just want to find where it allows you to change the name servers. So you can see that the name servers here are set to 2 default name servers. So you want to just update these name servers. So in GoDaddy you click on Manage, and you don't need to adjust any of the other settings. You don't need to unlock the domain name. You'd only do that if you were transferring the domain name. Just change the name servers. So click on Manage, and then these are the name servers where you're pointing your domain. So when you change these name servers, these are GoDaddy name servers by default. So you're basically saying, hey GoDaddy, I want to work with, I want this domain name that I've registered with you to work with College Web Pro. So you're gonna put in the College Web Pro name servers. So these are the same. These are, you always want to use these 2 College Web Pro name servers, ns1 collegewebpro.com and ns2 collegewebpro.com. So just put those name servers in and then click on the green button that says OK. Click on the green button that says Save. And it sometimes takes, so it actually goes through a period called propagation where it can take up to a full day, up to 24 hours, but normally the change takes only an hour or 2, and then you should be able to see. So if you just wait a minute or 2 and then you refresh the page, so you're still seeing the old name servers here, so sometimes you have to refresh the page, and now you can see the name servers have been updated to ns1 collegewebpro.com and ns2 collegewebpro.com. So now you want to wait an hour or 2. So I'm just going to wait for a second and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So if you've waited an hour or 2, now you'll know if it's connected successfully if you you try to access the actual domain name. And instead of seeing the GoDaddy page or a broken link, now you should see the sort of classic College Web Pro coming soon page if the domain name is successfully connected. And you'll be able to access your cPanel, your email, everything should be connected now, and your domain name has been successfully connected. So thanks so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Have a great night. Bye bye.